Welcome back my YouTube channel Top Cars TV. Maruti Alto 800 has been a household name in India for decades, known for its affordability, reliability, and fuel efficiency. As we step into 2025, Maruti Suzuki is set to refresh this iconic hatchback with a new generation model that promises better performance, modern features, and improved safety. The 2025 Maruti Alto 800 is expected to continue its legacy as one of India's most loved entry-level cars while adapting to the latest automotive trends. The new Alto 800 is likely to feature an updated design, with a more stylish and aerodynamic body. Spy shots and speculations suggest a redesigned front grille, sleeker headlamps, and a more sculpted bumper to give it a fresh and modern appeal. While maintaining its compact dimensions, the new model may offer a slightly longer wheelbase, translating to improved cabin space and comfort for passengers. Maruti is expected to introduce new color options and minor cosmetic enhancements to make the car more appealing to young buyers. Under the hood, the 2025 Alto 800 is anticipated to retain its tried and tested 800cc, three-cylinder petrol engine, ensuring a balance of performance and efficiency. However, Maruti might fine-tune the engine to meet the latest BS6 Phase 2 emission norms while enhancing fuel economy. A factory-fitted CNG variant could also be in the lineup, catering to budget-conscious buyers who seek lower running costs. The engine will likely be paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox, and there's a possibility of an AMT, automated manual transmission, option for added convenience. Subscribe my YouTube channel. On the inside, the Alto 800 2025 is expected to get a refreshed dashboard with an improved infotainment system, a touchscreen display with smartphone connectivity, power windows, keyless entry, and digital instrument clusters may be introduced in higher variants. Safety has been a growing priority, and Maruti could equip the new Alto with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, and a stronger body shell to meet updated safety regulations. With a competitive price tag, the Maruti Alto 800 2025 is likely to remain an attractive choice for first-time car buyers and those looking for a hassle-free urban commuter. It will continue to compete with models like the Renault Kwid and Hyundai Santro while reinforcing Maruti Suzuki's dominance in the small car segment. As the Indian automobile industry evolves, the Alto 800 is expected to retain its essence while embracing modern features and better efficiency, making it a compelling option in its category.